Graffiti can be a real challenge in schools, gyms, and other high traffic or vandal prone spaces. The good news? Phenolic lockers and partitions are built for tough environments where durability matters. Permanent marker and even spray paint can be removed easily using an industrial grade graffiti cleaner, which are available at common home improvement stores or big box retailers. To remove graffiti, simply apply the cleaner directly to the surface or apply it to a clean cloth and gently rub the affected area until the markings are gone. Before getting started, always test the cleaner in a small, discreet area to ensure compatibility. And one important tip, avoid using abrasive pads or cleaners to maintain the surface quality of the phenolic material. With the right cleaner and proper technique, phenolic lockers and partitions can be restored quickly, keeping your space looking clean and professional.